this lesson, we're going to discuss a fantastic feature of Excel, the Inquire add-in. Now, it's not included in all versions of Excel. I think you need 2013 Office Professional Plus or Office 2016 Office Professional Plus or Office 365 Professional Plus. But what the Inquire add-in does is really, it's sort of a souped-up version of trace precedence and trace dependence, which we call the auditing tool. So what the Inquire add-in lets you do is compare workbooks. You can see if changes have been made in the workbook. You can analyze the structure of a workbook. In other words, how are things related in a workbook? You can show workbook links between workbooks, which I know a lot of people are interested in. You can show the relationships between cells in a workbook with a really nice diagram, not just those blue arrows. You can also clean excess cell formatting, and that can really help you. If you have too many formats in a workbook, then Excel will crash. And so this will help you get rid of easily find formats and maybe clean them up. So first thing we have to know is how to install the Inquire add-in. You can see I've got it right here. Okay, so how did I get to that point? File, Options, Add-ins. Okay, now what you usually do is you go Excel Add-ins, Go, and then you'll see the Solver add-in, the Analysis Tool Pack add-in, like I could add in the Solver add-in. Okay, and then on the Data tab, you would see the Solver add-in. Okay, but here we do something different. We go File, Options, Add-ins, we go COM add-ins. This is a little bit different. So we click Go, and there is the Inquire add-in, and you can check that. And then you will have the Inquire add-in. So our next video will show you how to use the Inquire add-in to compare two workbooks to see if any changes have been made going from the first workbook to the second workbook.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of three books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.